Okay, so we look at indicators. Basically, what are indicators? Indicators are organic acid and base that produces different colors in different medium. It is with the help of these indicators that we can measure pH. We can measure pH of a substance. Now, what is pH of a substance? pH of a substance refers to the degree of acidity, or alkalinity. The degree of acidity or alkalinity of a substance. That is what we refer to as what? pH. Now, the pH scale has a scale of 14. So, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So, from here to here is acidic. From here to here is alkaline. And here is neutral. Taken? However, between here to here, 1 is more acidic than 2. 2 is more acidic than 3. So between 1 and 6, which one is more acidic? 1 is more acidic. So you can say that the acidity decreases as you go. It decreases as you go. Then for the alkalinity, 9 is more alkaline than 8. 10 is more alkaline than 9. So here, the alkalinity increases as you go. Then for 7 is neutral. Please take note of this. Very important. Now, we'll be looking at various indicators and what they produce in different medium. So let's look at the first indicator. The first indicator is methyl orange. Methyl orange. So methyl orange, in acidic medium, what does it produce? Methyl orange, the color will be what? In acidic medium, it is orange. In alkaline medium, it is yellow. Then the second indicator we have is litmus. Litmus paper. Litmus paper in acidic medium will be red. In alkaline medium will be blue. The third indicator we have is what we call phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. In acidic medium, it is colorless. While in alkaline medium, it is red. Please take note of this. Examiners love these questions. Take note of their color changes in different medium. All right. We look at different acid and base, which indicator is suitable for them. So, for example, when you have a weak acid plus a weak base, what's the suitable indicator for them? There is none. When you have a weak acid and a strong base, what is the best indicator for them? You use what we call phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. Then, what happens when the acid is strong acid, and then the base is weak base? You use methyl orange. Methyl orange or methyl red. They are the same. Methyl orange or methyl red. Then what about when both of them are strong? Strong acid plus strong base. You can use any indicator to test it. So please take notes. I know you know an example of a strong acid. Example of a strong acid like tetrodosulfate 6, Then a weak base is example of a weak base is aqueous ammonia. Aqueous ammonia is a weak base, tetrazosulfate 6. So the best indicator for this is methyl orange or methyl red. Examiners love this question, so please take notes. Example of a weak acid, you have ethanoic acid. I've given us these things at the beginning of the class. A strong base, you have sodium hydroxide. You use what? Phenolphthalein. All right. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found value in this class today. Please do well to subscribe to our channel. Invite your friends to do the same. Thank you and bye.